Okay, welcome to the next video. Please subscribe my channel and follow me in the channel, and please watch the video online. The next example that I will solve for you is a problem about the in fact finding root with the multiplicity of multiplicity more than 1, and I want to use the Newton Raphson method to finding the root. Let me state the problem. Consider the equation f of x is equal to cosine of x times 1 minus sine of x equal to 0. I want two things. The first one, show that x equal to p over 2 is a root of the equation with multiplicity of order 3. This is the first one, and the second one is find the root. Find this root using Newton Raphson method with epsilon equal to half times 10 to power of minus 2. So, for the first part, I have to show that f of p over 2 is 0, f prime of p over 2 is 0, f second of p over 2 is 0, and the third derivative of f at p over 2 is not 0. Okay, so let me try to solve problem. I have to compute f at p over 2, f prime p over 2, f double prime p over 2, and f triple prime over p over 2. Okay, so let me rewrite the function f of x equal to cosine of x minus half sine 2 of x. You note that if I multiply cosine in the parentheses, the first one will be cosine of x, and the second one is cosine of x, sine of x, and it will be 1/2 sine of 2x. Okay, and this gives f of p over 2 is cosine of p over 2 minus half sine of p, and it is 0. Yeah, now let me compute f prime of x. It will be minus sine of x minus cosine of 2x, and this gives f prime at p over 2 is minus sine p over 2 minus cosine p. This is minus 1, this is plus 1, and it is 0. Now let me compute the other one. F double prime at x is minus cosine of x plus 2 sine of 2x, and this gives f double prime at p over 2 is minus cosine of p over 2 plus 2 sine of p and also this is equal to 0. Now, finally, I have to compute f triple prime at x. It's sine of x plus 4 cosine of 2x, and this gives f triple prime. P over 2 is sine of p over 2 plus 4 cosine of p, and it will be minus 3, and this is not equal to 0, so the multiplicity is of order 3. Okay, now I want to compute this root by using the Newton Raphson formula. Okay, so in the next step, now we construct the Newton Raphson sequence. So we know that xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn over f prime of xn. So this gives xn plus 1 equal to xn minus cosine of xn minus half sine of 2xn over minus sine of xn minus cosine of 2xn. Now, if I consider x0 equal to, for example, half, okay, then we can get this table. Let me write n xn plus 1, again n xn plus 1, maybe I need one more, n, and xn plus 1. Now let me start with n equal to 0, so xn equal to 0.5. okay, if I put 0.5 here, let me fix it. It's much better than I write xn also here, also here. Yeah, if you put xn here, so you can find something like this. Now I put 0.5 here, okay, 0.5 here, and I will get 0.9480. For the next iteration, 1.1703, and the other one 1.3075. For the next one, for example 4, it will be 1.3963. Note that in each iteration I put xn here instead of xn, and the new result, okay, the new value will put instead of xn in the second column. Okay, and for 5, for example, it will be 1.4547. It's very simple computation. 14935. It's 1.5365, and the next one for 8, for example, it will be 4, 5, yeah. Let me check. Yeah, here it will be something wrong here. Let me fix. 5, 1.5193, and here it will be 1.5365. The ninth iteration, it will be 1.479. 10th iteration, it will be 1.5555. You can see that the first digit and the second digit are fixed. So the accuracy, in fact, of 10 to the power of minus 1 happened so far, okay? In the 11th iteration, 1.56, 06. In the 11th, 12th, 1.5640, and I guess the accuracy of 10 to the power of minus 2 over 2 has happened here. In fact, we have reached to the desired accuracy, and it's old. So you can see that it's very easy to implementation, and also you can write the code if you want in MATLAB or Octave or any other mathematical software or any other programming language like Python or any other programming language. It's not important. Please stay with me and follow and subscribe my channel and introduce my channel to your colleague and your friends. Thank you.